Start recording.
Hi everyone, Tyler here, and I want to show you one of the earthquakes. The earthquake on Friday that was caught live on Twitch stream from the user known as Shroud, and he was playing I think it's like Epic. He was playing a video game during the massive earthquake. So, if you're offended by language, this is a completely raw, unedited video. My apologies, but here we go. There, volume's up at full max, so here we go.
Me playing was me trying to get used to my med binds. Because I was still using the fucking wheel, and I was like, you know what, I've had enough of this shit.
I use the wheel for everything but, like, big shield. I just have my big shield bound, and then you have, like, your small shields in the slot.
Oh my god, did we just get another earthquake? Yep, we're getting the earthquake.
Yeah, we did.
Holy
Oh,
fuck.
shit.
Oh, I feel it. I feel it.
Oh my god.
Holy
Guys,
shit.
I feel it. Holy shit. Wait, do you
No,
really?
no, it's actually.
Yeah, holy fuck, dude.
Oh
I'm
my.
feeling it. Wait, TJ,
my
you
God.
feel it too.
Whoa.
Shit.
No, of course I'm not. I'm in
Bro,
East Coast. That's what I mean.
It's still,
Dude,
it's still going. It's still going.
Holy.
Yeah, we're going
Get
down.
under the table.
Dude,
We're going
this is
down.
crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is crazy.
Oh my god, everything's shaking.
What do we do? This is insane.
Oh, shoot.
Holy shit.
Dude.
This is insane.
Dude, that's huge. I'm feeling it in
Still
bacon.
going.
It's still
Still
going.
going.
It's still going.
What do we do?
Play through it.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Get under
Play
the
through it.
table, boys.
Play through.
Become the frame.
We need this ranked.
Dude, my monitor's jiggling.
Mother Nature ain't stopping me today.
Okay, I think it stopped. Holy fuck. That was
Yo,
insane.
that was crazy.
That was
Dude,
nuts, actually.
that was not what I felt yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. No.
That was way.
Oh, that was
worse.
way bigger.
Holy.
Should we get out of Cali or?
It's about to
Yeah,
fall
I'm
off.
down.
Dude. It's about to fall off.
Oh my god, it's still like wobbling a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like.
Yeah.
I feel like fucking lightheaded right now. What the shit? Hello?
Yo, tweet out quick.
Alright, if you want to watch the full video, it's 16 minutes long. I'm not playing the whole thing, but if you want to watch the full video, it is linked below. Please give him a like. I will definitely do that. And yeah, or give the video a like. Yeah, it is linked below. Enjoy, and thank you all for watching.